people, this is Edward from Amani Vehicle Sounds, and today I want to show you something you can recommend to a friend. We have this Pioneer radio. It's Pioneer AVH-A215BT. It has the following features: it has USB, auxiliary, FM, Bluetooth, and when it has Bluetooth, you can make hands-free calls, you can receive calls hands-free, and also you can play music that is on your phone. Also, can you come and show you how it looks? Now, we have featured it in a Isuzu double cab. Can you see how perfectly it fits here? From it, there is radio, there is disc, there is USB, there is Bluetooth audio. Can you see that? The volume of the radio, can you see? It goes up to 40, and at 8, the music is okay. Can you see that? You can play the video from it. You see? It's very fast. Can you see how it's responding?
DJ 38K.
Legal.
Can you see that? It's very clear. So with this is the best device I can recommend to you when you put it in your vehicle. Tell us what you think about it. If you need it, just give us a call at Amani Vehicle Sounds. Thank you.